Bürkert introduced the eShop because we felt it was really important to be able to order online anytime. The eShop's always accessible. It's 24/7, they can go online, order a part, and it can be at their door in just a few days. Our eShop has a really easy search system. All you need to do is type in a part number or the type. You can also check the stock and availability of it. It will also give you the option to compare these. This is great for new customers as they can compare the different part numbers to see which one is best for their application. If you're a repeat customer, you can log in and all your preferences are saved. Parts that you've previously ordered will be saved and you can reorder them, so the process is a lot smoother and quicker. For very large orders that need to be placed, we have a function where you can upload an Excel spreadsheet, and this will immediately add all those part numbers into your basket and you can check out. Once you've placed your order, you can then track this order and it can show you exactly where the part is and give you updates on when it should be delivered, which is really helpful for our customers so that they can plan their workflow and be as efficient as possible. At Bürkert, we're always understanding and evolving with our customers' needs. We created the eShop to make the ordering process more efficient and user-friendly for them.